What's going on, App Grind Nation? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Would you like to make money doing what you simply do on your phone every day? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money installing apps. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money just by installing apps. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get to the method of how to make money installing apps, I want to do something different today. If you guys can help me, I'm going to help you. And what I need help with is I want to get 30 likes. I want to get 320 subscribers. So if you're new, please subscribe. And I want you guys to leave 10 comments in the comment section below. Now, once all those things have been completed, I'm going to give you guys my free online course. And it's called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding. Now, this course costs over $10. And what it does is show you step by step how to create an app, how to market that app, and how to make money with that app on autopilot every month. So this is a way that you can start making money online on autopilot and won't have to worry about always marketing it, always trying to promote it, because once you do it the first time and set it up, then it's kind of on autopilot making money for you. So all you have to do to get this free course is, again, give me 30 likes, drop comments down below. I need about 10, and I want to get up to 320 subscribers. Currently I'm at 306. So this course will be absolutely free to you. And how you're going to get it is I'm going to leave my email in the comment section below once I get these things completed. Once I receive the 30 likes, once I receive the 10 comments, and once I receive 320 subscribers. So please help me today, and I'm going to help you by giving you that free course. I also have other free things down below in the description where it says free giveaway. You can go ahead and check that out, get some free giveaways right now. Also, I have other things that you can download that will help you make money online. And I have a Patreon account that you can sign up with and join and receive special perks and prizes on a weekly basis. So check all that down below in the description. And one last thing, if you're struggling with your YouTube account getting views and subscribers, just also click on the link below, and it says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Just click on that link below and download that software, and that will absolutely help you to increase your views, because this tool has also helped me grow from 20 subscribers all the way to over 300 subscribers within a month. All right, I know that was a mouthful, but I'm ready to move on to show you this method. So please watch this video to the very end so you will know the full method on how to make money installing apps. Without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the method. Let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Boon Gift. And this is an app. And what it does is You earn any gift cards for free, and also you earn money from this app just by installing apps. So let's scroll down here and see how it works. It says the first thing you do is download and install Boon Gift, and it's available on Apple or Google Play. Try free apps to get coins, and that's some of the games, for examples, some of the apps you'll be downloading. And number 3, redeem for rewards. So you can here are some of the rewards you can get for redeeming them. Amazon, Google Play, Apple, and even PayPal Cash. All right, here's some testimonies here. Let's read this one right here. Have got over $45 using this app. Just download apps, open them, and close them to earn coins. Use referral code to get 200 free coins. So I guess they're putting a referral code there. Takes a while, but worth it. You will get the money within 24 hours. So there you go. You can download this app and start downloading apps. Build up some more coins, and trade that in. Redeem those coins and get cash through PayPal within 24 hours. So, if you're interested in this app and want to make some money installing apps, go ahead and check it out here at boongift.com. So now you know the app you can download right now that will allow you to start installing apps and make money from it. So go ahead and download that app right now and get started making that money. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please smash that like button and drop a comment down below. And share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, that's it. I'm done. It's a wrap. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and watch my recommended video right here. Or you can watch my most recent video right here. Right after I tell you this, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch my videos. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.